Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to introduce you to two new words that will expand your vocabulary. First up is exponent. Exponent. This is a word that comes up in math a lot. Exponent means how many times you multiply a number by itself. It's like a magic power that makes numbers explode into bigger ones. Here's an example for you. So if you multiply 2 by itself 3 times, the exponent is 3. But did you know that exponent has another meaning too? Another meaning of exponent is a person who supports, represents, or promotes a particular idea or theory. So if you're into recycling, you could be called an exponent of sustainable living. Here is a sentence example for this word. As an exponent of minimalist living, she inspires her followers to live a simple life. Next, we have haywire. Haywire. This word means when something goes completely crazy or out of control, like when your dog gets loose and starts running around like a maniac. Here's another example. The wiring in my house went haywire during the storm and I had to call an electrician to fix it. So, there you have it. Exponent and haywire. Two useful words that can help you in both math and everyday life. I hope you had fun learning with us today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Thanks for watching.